Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. I will have all the Mini Kit Monday ladies links to their channel listed below along with our Facebook group. All right, we're still working out of our November kit. And I have a little secret, and I'm surprised some of you didn't call me out on this. When we put our kits together and revealed them for November 2nd, I thought there was only 4 Mondays in the month of November. And the first Monday we share our kit and then we create 3 layouts. Guess what? There were 5 Mondays in the month of November. Thank goodness I already had this page kit together, and it worked with the inspiration piece, how I interpret it to use it. Shannon is our host, and she came up with the word thankful, and we chose to take that word and use it anyway to create our kit. So you could have found manufacturers or designers that started with those letters. You could have taken product. You could have come up with colors, which is what I did. So T for teal, H for hazel, A for amber, N for nut, K for kitty cat black, green for forest, F for forest green, U for UCLA gold, and L for lava, focusing on the reds. Guess what? I forgot to show this one I was focusing on kitty cat black, and I forgot to include it. Shame on me, completely forgot. So anyway, this is from my kit, and as I've told you before, my schedule is real busy. So for the month of November and December, I'm not showing you my process, I'm telling you my process. All right, so I have a 12 by 12 black cardstock. Then I took this gorgeous wood grain paper from Close to My Heart. And another little secret, I'm a Close to My Heart consultant. If you like any of these products and you do not already have a consultant, I would love to have you as a customer. I'll have my link listed below. Anyway, this is a new wood grain pack of paper from Close to My Heart. It will be around all the rest of this year and on to all the way through 2011, August of 2011. Love this paper, but there's a variety of colors and designs. Okay, then from my scrappy stash is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6 by 6 papers that I used. 1, 2, 3, 4 I left in the original 6 by 6. Didn't cut them down at all, just layered them up, inked them up using the distressed ink in black soot. My other black color, if I want it to be a deeper black inking edge, I definitely go with the intense ink from Close to My Heart. I have this acrylic piece called Gather. I put 2 layers of doilies behind this photograph, and I'll come back to the photograph. I use Felicity Jane little tiny enamel dots that have been in my stash right here and here and here. These 2 butterflies are from Pink Paisley, Fifth and Monaco. That's where those came from. This chipboard here is from Vicky Booten Wildflower and Honey. This was all in my kit. Now, this little metal piece was not originally in my kit, so I'm not going to fib. I could tell you because I never showed you this, but that was not in my kit. So I got that out of my boxes of metals and added that there, just a little touch there, right? And then one of my things that I wanted to accomplish, one of products that I wanted to use in the month of November was Nuvo and Nuvo drops, but I also was using the Nuvo Mica Mist in Smoked Silver. I just love this. Now, I didn't shake it up, as you noticed when I first did my splatter, so I got a little tiny ring here, but not on the other ones at all. Not at all, not at all. So I just added that right here in this corner because I had this going on here. I needed something so when your eye comes across or you go this way. All right, this is a photograph of my dad's side of the family. I've said this before. My dad is half Indian and half Filipino. So my dad is right there. That's what I'm documenting, and this is going in my album that I'm creating to pass down to my older kids. All right, that is it. Be sure to check out the other ladies. I hope you all had a fabulous Thanksgiving. I did, and keep coming back. And I think Kathy is our host. I don't know who our host is for the month of December. I forgot. Anyway, have a fabulous day. Have a fabulous week, and we'll see you next Monday. And remember to give us a thumbs up. That brings traffic to our channel. Bye.